Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal is back in his protest mode. Kejriwal has revealed that for the next 10 days, the Delhi government will function from the protest venue, that's Rail Bhavan. Now, all decisions on the cabinet will be taken right there itself. Kejriwal also blamed the centre for any constitutional crisis that his action may bring about. In fact, Aam Aadmi Party has asked its workers to converge at the Railway Bhavan Park. Kamaljeet Kaur Sandhu is now joining us with more details. Kamal, what is the Ministry of Home Affairs contemplating now?
Well, definitely Section 144 will be in place till 26th of January. But remember, South Block and North Block are actually areas where Section 144 is always in place. These are sensitive ministries, and considering that there is a security implication regarding this, there would be obviously apprehensions within the security circle itself, and that the dharna is being done by none other than the Chief Minister and Cabinet Ministers of Delhi. This is going to be a point of confrontation. We also know that Mr. Shinde has made his point clear. He said that till the inquiry is over, there would be no action against the cops. The other portion is that he's already clarified that Delhi police under no circumstances can be under Delhi government. He's saying it's on the same lines as Washington DC, that perhaps the police comes under the government, that the centre government. So in that sense, there is no doing away with Delhi police. That demand has been rejected straight away. So obviously there seems to be a war of words with Mr. Shinde calling Mr. Kejriwal an anarchist, and obviously the Aap party workers calling Mr. Shinde corrupt. So this is going to just get uglier. But the fact remains, is there a way out? Can Delhi police keep acting against its own Chief Minister? What will really happen to the rest of the promises that the Delhi Chief Minister really made to the people? Is this a battle of ego now? Is something that many insiders are not talking about, that Mr. Kejriwal is firmly standing behind Somnath Bharti, who's been caught on the wrong foot of law at many times, not just this one instance. Many women's group coming to the fore and saying that this is moral policing, that there were men from AAP who had actually not only harassed these women, had also groped them. So yes, again, police investigation on, saying they have asked the victims to identify the culprits. Right. So this is going to just get uglier. It's going to get difficult not only for Delhi police but also Delhi government, and it's the Aam Aadmi Party who ultimately may suffer.